Good morning everyone. Today we are working on this nice example of GTV 3 litre 24 valves, and we're going to do timing belt and a clutch. This car, I had a blast on Bristol Heritage at the National Alfa Days this year. I will put a link below to see the video, just to show you the video and just hear the music. And so we're going to strip it down. I'll show you step by step, if you want to do it yourself as a DIY, how to do it. Okay? So I'm going to do it that way. I'm going to take engine and gearbox down. As all we know, those clutches to do are a bit of a pain. So at the same time I need to do the timing belt, so we'll take the whole powertrain unit out, and I will show you again step by step how to do it. And by the way, stay tuned on the channel to see more. So we're going to take, of course, to begin with, the wheel off. Be careful that you have your locking wheel nut key, because most of the car here in this country in UK, they use them to, well, they have them, but unfortunately sometimes they get lost. Have to be honest, in my country, if somebody needs wheels, we will take the entire car, but yeah, here unfortunately there is that pain as well. Sometimes we have to fight with them, and so we're taking the wheel off, and we're going to start to take the splash guard off, and I'll show you what to do next on the suspension. All right. So in that case, the size is 19mm. Those wheels instead, because they're being upgraded, are GT Blackline wheels, so they're going to be 17mm heads. So watch this as well, so or 17 or 19. And just a little trick, the tread pitch is 12 by 125. Okay. So before you touch anything of the brakes, slack these nuts on the drive shaft, which is 36mm. So also you take that pinch bolt, which is genuine, is 15 one side, 17mm on the other end. I will show you a little trick if you have a ramp, how to remove them without struggle too much. And that's it pretty much.